Welcome back to my channel, West Coast Finest, bringing you valuable and quality content with every single video. Thanks for tuning in. Okay, ladies, are you looking for something new, something different, but something that looks absolutely natural? Well, here it is, ladies. Look no further. This is the Crochet Afro Hairstyles. Yes, in this video, I am going to be bringing you some natural looking crochet afros. Yes, ladies, you too can wear a beautiful afro just like this one. Continue to keep watching and watch how all these beautiful styles are accomplished. They are absolutely gorgeous. Look at this. Look how natural it looks. It is amazing. Continue to keep watching. Here is another style that I'm going to be bringing you. Please don't think because you have alopecia, hair loss, thin hair, short hair, or even damaged hair that you cannot wear crochet braids. Yes, crochet braids are a very excellent option for those who have hair loss. Yes, I'm going to show you how I create this crochet box braid hairstyle on my client. Yes, as you can see, she does have some significant hair loss in the front, around her edges, and a little bit at the top. She has a full head of hair from the top to the back. But no worries, ladies, because I have the perfect solution. Yes, I have the perfect solution if you are experiencing any hair loss. As you can see, I always start off with moisturizing and giving my clients a deep head and scalp massage. Yes, this is super essential for hair growth. Yes, if you are wanting to experience some hair growth, you need to stimulate those hair follicles, and you can do that by doing just what I'm doing here. I am again hydrating her hair with our G&G hair growth butter, which is giving her hair the ultimate vitamins and minerals that it needs. Then I gave her a deep head and scalp massage, and now I'm going in with my brushing process. Yes, ladies, brushing your hair, and men too, brushing your hair stimulates your hair follicles, and that can promote hair growth. So as you can see here, I not only brushed in the area where she had hair, but also in the areas where she did not have hair. As you can see, I completed her braid pattern. I did the beehive, which is just going around the circle, but in the middle I did a side to side or left to right braid pattern. Then I'm going in and I'm hydrating her hair with our G&G hair growth oil. Yes, we have hair growth butter and hair growth oil. You can tap the link in my bio. It will take you to our website, and you can start your hair growth journey today. Yes, our hair growth butter and hair growth oil is infused with essential hair growth oils like peppermint oil, tea tree oil, argan oil, black seed oil, just to name a few. Yes, it is packed with essential oils to do what? Promote hair growth. So now I am installing my custom frontal. Yes, ladies, this is the custom frontal that I'm going to be using on her hair to give her the ultimate coverage and the natural look that she wants in the front. Yes, my frontal is only sold on my website. It is custom made by myself. Yes, I hand make them all myself. I have frontals as well as 4x4 closures. Yes, oh my gosh, this is excellent. Super excellent for anyone who is suffering from alopecia, hair loss, thin hair, short hair, damaged hair, and even those with healthy hair but just want to give your hair a break. This is going to give her the natural look and the fullness that she needs in the front and on the sides, where no one, yes, no one is ever going to know that she had any hair loss at all. Continue to keep watching to see how I create this beautiful box braid crochet style. Continue to keep watching to the end, and I'm going to bring you all the details. You're going to see all the methods that I used to create this style. It came out absolutely gorgeous. Again, continue to keep watching and see how this beautiful style was achieved. If you are looking for a cute crochet style, well, here it is. Try these go-go curls. Yes, these are deep wave go-go crochet curls, and they are absolutely gorgeous. They come in a variety of colors, and this is an ombre gray. Yes, it's a 1B mixed with a 51. And